couch yoga practice to help you improve strength in your feet and ankles and improve balance, part 2. Today's practice is part of a 3-part series on helping you improve strength and balance. So make sure that you go back to part 1 because today's practice will build on top of what we practiced in part 1. This practice series is perfect if you have mobility issues or balance issues and looking for ways to gently strengthen and improve your balance without wiping you out or crashing into pain. My name is Elaine Ouyang. I am a certified yoga therapist, bringing you yoga therapy practices to help you dial down your chronic pain. Now, before we get started, please head over to my website, elaineyoga.com, to grab your free Pain Care Yoga Starter Toolkit with 10-minute daily tips to help you decrease pain and improve mobility. Now, without further ado, let's get onto the couch or your bed and we'll get started. To start off, you can come onto the seat of your couch or the edge of your bed. If you need to, you can grab a couple more pillows and cushions to give some support for your back. And we're going to start with some warm up to stretch out toes and ankles. So you can just place your feet on the floor and just slightly tap your toes like this, up and down, alternating sides, just to bring some sensations and blood flow down into your feet and your toes. And then you can let your feet come back down into a neutral position, lifting just your right toes, spread them out, and then soften your toes back down onto the floor. Do the same with your left foot. So your left toes, lift them, spread them out, and then you can gently soften them down. And now you're going to pick up your right heel. So you might need to sit forward enough so that you can actually bring the heel up, and then alternate as if you're just kind of going tiptoeing in place, alternating between lifting one heel up and then the other. You don't have to go really far, just as far as is comfortable for you. The idea is to just mobilize and keep the ankles and the feet moving. Good. And then you can set your feet all the way down. As you inhale, press up onto the balls of your feet. Exhale, push your feet down to the floor. So there's a little imagined resistance as you inhale. You're going to press up on the balls of your feet as if you're kind of going against sticky molasses, and exhale like you're trying to push some sticky molasses or taffy down. Inhale, pulling up against the sticky molasses or taffy. Exhale, push your heels down. And you'll start to feel the ankles and the structures and muscles around the ankles starting to work a little bit. If you need to rest, by all means do so. You don't need to continue if it doesn't feel right. We're going to go for 2 more. Inhale and exhale. Great. On the next exhale, as you press your feet all the way down, you can relax and just tap them out. Great. You can hold on to the edge of the couch or your bed. And as you inhale, bring your right leg up, flexing your ankle slowly, and then exhale, lower. And continue. Inhale, stretch your leg up, and exhale, lower. I like you to sit tall, drawing your navel in gently so your abdominal muscles are at work a little bit. So these are just to warm up our legs and also the abdominal muscles so that when you do stand up for balancing positions, all of these will be intact and ready to fire up and activate to support you. Okay, finish this last one, and then we're going to switch over to the left foot. So as you inhale, stretch your left leg up, and exhale. Inhale and stretch up. Exhale. Gently flexing your ankle. Try to keep your spine lifted and tall, not too rigid. Your abdominal muscles just gently engage so that you can keep some upright structure here. And 1 more. And exhale and release down. Again, tap it out so that your legs and feet can relax. Now you're going to come forward towards the front edge of your bed or your couch. It means your back will be away from the support. And slide one foot slightly forward. So my right foot is slightly forward and my left foot is slightly back. We're going to imitate as if we're about to stand up. Okay, so we're going to do a little rocking forward and back. If you want to just watch this first few rounds, by all means, you can just pause what you're doing and just watch me first and then join when you're ready. So I'm going to place my hands against the edge of the couch to give me some stability and support. As I inhale, I prepare, lengthen through my spine, shoulders down. Exhale, I'm leaning forward, navel in, abdominal muscles slightly contracted, and I'm pressing down into my feet as if I'm about to stand up. Inhale, I lean back, straighten up. Exhale, I lean forward. I'm using my hands against the edge, but I'm not really pushing down. It's just more for stability rather than trying to hoist myself up. Inhale and exhale, gently tipping forward, feeling your legs and feet at work. Good. Inhale and exhale, pressing down through both of your feet, abdominal muscles slightly engaged. One more inhale and exhale. And then sit all the way back down. Bring your feet back side by side to each other. And take an easy breath in, easy breath out. And then go ahead and switch sides. So again, left foot or your other foot is slightly forward and the other one is slightly back, swapping sides. Inhale, prepare, hands on the edge of the couch or your bed. Exhale, leaning forward. Try not to round like this. You want to keep your spine upright, navel into spine, press through your feet and legs, almost like you're about to stand up. Inhale, straighten up, and exhale, pressing down. Your hips might slightly elevate away from your couch or your bed. That's okay. Exhale, press, even pressure in both of your legs and feet. Just a light touch on the hands. You're not hoisting yourself up with your arms. Good. Exhale, navel in, abdominal muscles gently engaged. One more. And then coming all the way down, bring your feet back towards each other, side by side, and rest your hands on your laps, whichever side's better for you, palms up or down, whichever feels more comfortable. You can close your eyes if you like and give yourself an easy breath in and exhale. Thank you for joining today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you check out part 1 as well as part 3 coming out next week for the 3-part series on improving balance and increasing strength in your legs and your feet. If you liked this video, be sure to also subscribe, and I'd love to hear from you. If you have any questions, leave your comments below and I will get back to you. All right, everyone, I will see you next time.